Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and this is my scrapbooking, paper crafting challenge that I have been doing. And I have 3 more scrapbook layouts to show you, 12 by 12 layouts. I am really enjoying doing this. Like I have told many of you before that have watched, that I have been wanting to scrapbook for many, many years, but I always felt intimidated by it. I don't know why. And I finally realized that, I don't have to make them, with a bunch of stuff on it. I'm not really artistic. So I figured out the simpler the better. Just get your pictures on paper, put a few embellishments, and let it go. Get them out of those boxes. So I'm a firm believer of that. If you're watching this video and you are wanting to scrapbook, but you don't think that you're artistic enough, or you don't have enough embellishments to do a good job on the paper, you don't have to do it like that. Get your pictures, get some cardstock, get some scrapbook paper, get a few stickers, get some letter stickers. You're good to go. Simple. You want your focal point to be the picture, not what's around it. So anyway, these are my next 3. I will be doing a scrapbook flip through. I finally made it through one whole scrapbook. I have one scrapbook complete, and I am so happy about that. So I will be doing a flip through of that, so be watching for that video. Okay, the first one that I want to show you is called Hummingbirds. And this has orange cardstock on the back. And this paper was from the paper pad that I got. I'm so horrible at this. I've got to practice getting all this information down. It's the one that has all the birds and the field trip, I think, or something like that is what it's called. That's where the paper came from, and that's where the peaceful came from. And yeah, these were some hummingbirds that came to my hummingbird feeder a few years ago. And I was able to get close up enough to get pictures of them. Well, one was resting, and the other one was actually, this one was getting ready to drink. So I wanted to make a layout of that. So it's called Hummingbirds, and this I think was taken around 2010. So there's that. And all I did was put a little bit of bling. These are from the Dollar Tree. Put a couple of stickers on each side. This was some Halloween ribbon type stuff I just put across there. And some more stickers. And yeah, very simple. So that's my hummingbird one. The next one is my mom and dad. This was when they were here and my brother came to visit a couple of years ago. And so here's my mom and dad. And this is kind of on a teal blue cardstock. This came out of the Mamba little kit with papers that I had. So that's this. These are Dollar Tree stickers on there as well. And then just some bling. So that's my mom and dad. And then I just wrote down here, I just found a little spot and wrote a little bit about them. So that's that one. And the last one that I want to show is, this one's called Me and You. Okay, this is me. This is my first birthday with my grandma. And this is my grandma and my first child, Jason. And I just thought I would document that since I had a picture of me with her and him with her. And that was 22 years later. And so I had the pink. I didn't really want the pink because he was on it, being a boy. So I tried to add touches of blue. I put the blue buttons. I put this kind of just multicolor rickrack on there and put more down here, the more subdued colors. But anyway, yeah, I kind of like that. Of course, Dollar Tree stickers. It's on a gray background to try to subdue it a little bit. But I just love how it turned out. Having my grandma have a picture with him, which would be her great-grandson, and then me 22 years earlier. So anyway, that's that one. So I will show just quickly one more time. This one's hummingbirds. This one is my mom and dad, so happy together. And the last one is Me and You. And this paper was is from Mamba collection. So that is it for my scrapbooking layout 12 by 12 challenge for May 2018. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed watching and seeing what I'm creating. And yeah, I'm loving that I'm just putting them on paper basically and getting them out of the boxes. That was my huge thing. So, and it's working and I'm happy about doing it. And like I said, I've got my first album full. So be watching in the very, very near future, and I will be doing an album flip through of all of my layouts that I have done since I started the challenge. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, for subscribing, commenting, liking, sharing my videos. I do appreciate that you take the time to watch and that you do take the time to share them. That just helps get my videos out there for others to see. And yeah, until my next video, everybody have a great day.